Sawadee Krap. Good afternoon, ladies and gents. My name's Nathan, the sales director of FETCI, taking charge of Thailand business. Thank you for coming. It's my pleasure to be here with you today. My talk today is about more than green mobility, the M floor, about our end-to-end services and solutions, and what we can do for smart city. The purpose of this presentation is to show how we can expedite and facilitate M-flow. So, by the end of this presentation, you'll understand how to make it happen from our billion-dollar lessons learned. Here's an overview of my presentation. I've divided my talk into three parts. First, why M-flow? Second, why FETCI? Third, how to make it happen. I'll be speaking about 15 minutes. Let's get started. The very first question is, why M-flow? What is M-flow? Why everyone in Thailand is talking about M-flow? What's the challenges for Thailand government? I guess the answer is predictive. Yes, congestion, traffic jam, no surprise. You may say, it's yesterday's news. You've been to Bangkok, you've been to struggle in traffic jam, but hold on. Do you know exactly how serious impact is and how it impacts the smart city or green environment? Have you ever wondered how much traffic jam costs, specifically in Bangkok, per year? Does anyone know the numbers? Maybe 5 million, 1 billion, 3 billions? The answer is more than 11 billion Thai baht per year, according to the study posted in Bangkok Post 5 years ago. Wow, that's huge. That's awful. Can you imagine it? Besides such huge revenue loss, the carbon emission also causes tremendous greenhouse gas, which is a great pollution in Bangkok. In this slide, these numbers are from Taiwan practice applying multi-lane free flow, so-called M-flow, showing how we improve the environment, what we do for green. That's why we say as title, more than green mobility, the M-flow, where everything begins as a great green power. So, what exactly are the benefits for M-flow? The answer is clear. First, you don't need to endure the checkpoint anymore. Second, you don't need to slow down anymore. Third, you don't need to pay in cash anymore. By doing so, it can drain more than 2,000 cars per year per channel, which is up to 5 times faster. Very attractive, right? Therefore, the MOT's policy is clear. As Minister said last year, all expressways and motorways must pass through the entire barrier-free checkpoint system. That means all multi-lane free flow for upcoming highways and expressways will be applied, whether it's new or existing, and that makes sense. As a matter of fact, M-Flow is coming soon and will be very soon. As I mentioned, besides the huge loss due to traffic jam, it's also the key factor as foundation to develop smart city as digital transformation. And this will change the whole country. Let's move to the second question. What we can do for you? Let me introduce ourselves. I think some people may have heard of our company for years. There is one thing need to be emphasized is that among 8.2 million registered vehicles in Taiwan, 7.6 are equipped with our RFID tag. Imagine that. It's a system with 93% of the nationwide vehicle as the customers and need to deal with more than 60 million transactions on a daily basis. Moreover, without any toll plaza, in an open road tolling environment, our tolling accuracy rate is 99.9998%. My purpose to say this is not only to promote ourselves, but more about the concept to let you know the importance of the high penetration of certain technology or services which is related to citizens' daily lives. From our proven record, we are proud to say we are ready for M4. We provide a combination of AI automatic number plate recognition, AI automatic vehicle classification, and RFID solutions. On top of that, we believe we can achieve a very high service level, leveraging Taiwan's experience. This is the last question. How can we make it happen? How we can do for smart city? In this slide, what we provide is not only products or solutions. What we provide is end-to-end platforms, including total solutions and services, which are from the edge to the cloud to the end users, all are managed by ourselves. We are an operator who did hands-on works. We barely do outsourcing. Instead, we design, build, and operate and maintain all by ourselves, which is actually not the common practice of concession business, and that's why we are differentiated. One of my favorite saying is, yesterday you say tomorrow. For Taiwan's experience, there are no miracles, but only accumulation. So you don't have to start from scratch. You can start from experience right here, right now. We stand on tolling as a service. Now we are moving forward to smart city. Thank you.